just wouldn't breathe. It's a big old world, but I found my way from the hell and the hurts that led me straight to this. It's in the trains I I've been a clown, I've been a fool, and I've pushed on every chance. I searched far and wide, tried to call out of God's hand. But there's stones I didn't throw, and hearts I didn't break, and the little hope I held on to with the silver shining thread of faith. It's a big old world, but I found my way from the hell and the hurts that led me straight to this. This to the trains I missed.
Bold Hope not only believes in a better future, it works to build it, one partnership, one action, and one student at a time. Here's my promise. To our students, you will always be at the center of my work, and as your president, I promise to listen to you, to show up for you, and to work alongside you to make sure Hood continues to be a place where every student can thrive. And you make me Hood proud every single day. So Hood family, as my dad would say, hold what you got. The work ahead will not be easy, but it'll be worth it. And working together, we will ensure that Hood continues to shine as a beacon of learning, of opportunity, of service, and hope. Now, let's go, Blazers!
It's a big old world.